Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. Today we are going to learn exercise 3.2. Okay, so the first sum is fill in the blanks. So the addition of minus 7b and 2b is, shall we add now? Yes. So minus 7b and 2b we have to add. Okay, so the coefficient are minus 7 plus 2. So what is minus 7 plus 2? So different sign we have to subtract. I got 5 as answer. So greatest number sign is minus. So my answer is minus 5. The variable is b. Okay, minus 5b. Second one, the subtraction of 5m from minus 3m. The word from comes. So we have to write minus 3m first, 5m next, and in between we have to put one minus. Okay, here the coefficients are minus 3 and minus 5. Okay, same sign we have to add. So 8, the greatest number sign is minus. So minus 8m, m is the variable. Okay. So third one, the additive inverse of minus 37xyz is additive inverse. Already we learned this additive inverse in our number system. Very good. So in number system we learned this as property. So what is the inverse? Additive inverse of a is minus a. Likewise, we have to change the sign I told you. So same thing, minus 37xyz. The additive inverse of minus 37xyz is plus 37xyz. So 37xyz is the additive inverse of minus 37xyz. So the second sum is say true or false. Here we have to say whether the statement is true or false. Shall we do it now? Yes. The expression 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y cannot be added. Okay, here we have one expression, here we have one expression. So whether we can add or we can't add this. See, listen, here we have x variable term and y variable term. Here also x variable term, y variable term. So definitely we can add x term with x term and y term with y term, but they have given cannot be added. So it is wrong. So we can write the answer as false. Right? So next one, if x is a natural number, then x plus 1 is its predecessor. What does mean by predecessor? Already you learned this word in your 6th standard. Am I correct? Predecessor, successor. Have you remembered that? Okay, let us recall that. So predecessor means the before number. Okay, pre means before. Okay, successor means success. Success means going forward. Okay, so the next number is the successor and the before number is the predecessor. Okay, usually you will do problems by subtracting 1 from the given number to find out the predecessor and add 1 to find out the successor. Am I correct? So now we want the predecessor. Predecessor means we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So x is the given natural number, but they have given x plus 1 is its predecessor. Whether it is a predecessor or successor, x plus 1 is the successor of x. So it is wrong. So my answer is false. Okay. So the third one, sum of a minus b plus c and minus a plus b plus c is 0. Shall we work it out and find out the answer? Yes. So a plus b plus c plus, here we are going to add only. So we can write the numbers as it is. So minus a plus b plus c. Okay. So here a minus, let me check the question again. A minus b, here I have written the question wrongly. Okay, here minus should come. Okay. So now we have to write minus here. So a, we have to write the like terms together. So I am marking the like terms. We have to write the like terms together. Am I correct? So a minus b plus b plus c minus c. So a minus a is 0, minus b plus b is 0, c minus c is 0. So the answer is 0. So they have also given the statement as 0. So we have to write the answer as true. The third problem, add, they have given 3 options, and the fourth problem they have given subtract 3 options. Okay, shall we do it now? So add, so 8x plus 3x. So both are like terms. So we have to add the coefficient. So 8 plus 3 is 11x. That is your answer. So here we have to add 7mn plus 5mn, right? So 7 coefficients are 7 and 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12mn. Okay. The third one is minus 9y plus 11y plus 2y. Here the coefficients are minus 9 plus 11 plus 2. So here we have plus 2 numbers as positive numbers. So we can add these two numbers. So 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 9 is 13 minus 9 is 4y. So greatest number is 13. So either I am writing it here, the coefficients minus 9 plus 11 plus 2. Here we can write it as minus 9 plus 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Greatest number sign is plus. So 4y is your answer. Okay. Shall we do the subtraction now? So here 4k from 12k. So I have to write 12k first. 12k first and 4k. Next in between I have to put 1 minus. Okay. So 12 minus 4. Coefficients are 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8k is your answer. Okay. Now here also 25q we have to write first. 15q we have to write next. In between we have to put 1 minus. So 25 minus 15. So 25 minus 15 is 10. So 10q. Okay, last one. We have to subtract 17. That is 7xyz minus from 17xyz. So we have to write 17xyz first minus 7xyz next. Okay, we have to subtract 17 minus 7, which is 10xyz. Okay, here they have given all the terms as like terms. So we are directly adding and we are directly subtracting everything. Okay. Fifth problem, the question is find the sum of the following expressions. We have to find the sum of. Sum means addition of. Okay. Now they have given 5 options. Okay, I am going to do the first one, third one and fourth one. Okay, you have to try the second option and fifth option. Okay. Second and fifth option are very easy only. You can try it on your own. Okay. Now let us see this first option. So they have given 3 different expressions. We have to add these 3 expressions. So first I am writing 7p plus 6q plus 5p minus q plus q plus 16p. So I am removing the bracket. So 7p plus 6q. Here we have plus only. So no need to change the symbols. Directly we can write the terms as it is. So 5p minus q plus 16p. Now we have to analyze the like terms. So here p term, here also one p term and here also one p term. Here I have q term and another one q term. So I have to write the like terms together. So 7p plus 5p plus 16p. Okay. Plus 6q minus q plus q. Here we have the coefficient of p. P coefficients are 7 plus 5 plus 16. Okay. Shall we add this? 7 plus 5? 12. 12 plus 16? 12 plus 16? 28. So 28p. Okay. Here next coefficient of q. The coefficient of q are, let me write the coefficient 6 minus 1 plus 1. Here the coefficient is minus 1 and here the coefficient is plus 1. So 6 minus 1 plus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So plus 6q. This is your answer. Okay, you have to do the problems like this. Shall we try the next one? So mn plus t plus 2mn minus 2t plus minus 3t plus 3mn. Okay, now I am removing mn plus t. Either you can write this step or else you can directly write the second step. Okay, plus 2mn minus 2t minus 3t plus 3mn. See why I am writing this step is, for addition you can directly write, but for subtraction we have to write like this and then only we have to subtract. Okay, for your that is, then only you will be having the practice of writing this given expression in brackets and then you will remove the bracket. Okay, so that is the correct method. So if you don't want to write this step, means directly you can write this step for addition, but for subtraction definitely we should write the terms in brackets and then we have to remove the bracket and then only we have to solve. Okay, so now shall we find out the like terms? So we have two different variables here. Mn is one variable and t is one variable. So mn variable here, here and here. Okay, t variable here, here and here. I am mentioning using tick and star. So mn terms I am writing mn plus 2mn plus 3mn. Okay, next t term plus t minus 2t minus 3t. So now I am going to write the coefficient of mn term. So here 1, 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what is the value here? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So here 6mn. Okay. Next I am going to write the coefficient of t term. Okay. Plus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Shall we solve it? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Otherwise, same sign. These two numbers have same sign. So 1, we have to add this 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. The symbol is minus. So now the answer is, subtracting I got 4. Greatest number sign is minus. So minus 4t. That is your answer for the third option. Okay. Let us do the fourth option. Here we have 4 expressions. So u plus v plus u minus v plus 2u plus 5v plus 2u minus 5v. Okay, now u plus v plus u minus v plus 2u plus 5v plus 2u minus 5v. Now here we have two variables u and v. So u terms here, here, here and here. V terms I am marking it with a star. Okay, now I have to write the like terms together. Okay, u plus 2u plus 2u. V term v minus v plus 5v minus 5v. Now I am going to write the coefficient of u first. Okay, what are the coefficient here? First 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 6. So 6u. Okay, next I am going to write the v coefficient. V coefficient are 1 minus 1 plus 5 minus 5. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, 0 plus 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have 0. Either you can write plus 0, otherwise you can write 6u alone as the answer. Okay. The sixth problem, subtract. So they have given 4 options. I am going to solve only 2 options. That is first and third one I will solve. Okay. Next, that is second and fourth option, you have to try it on your own. Okay. So now the first option is 13x plus 12y. 13x plus 12y minus 5 from 27x plus 5y minus 43. So now here the word from comes, so we have to write 27x plus 5y minus 43. This we have to write it in a bracket. Okay, next is first term as last, minus 5. Okay, in between we have to put one minus for subtraction. Okay, now we have to remove the bracket. So while removing, I will write this expression as it is. So 27x plus 5y minus 43. Here we have minus. So what we have to do, I told you already, we have to change the symbol of all the terms inside the bracket. So minus 13x minus 12y plus 5. Okay, after this, as usual, like addition, we are going to solve. So same terms, like terms we have to mark. So here we have x term, here we have x term, and y term, y term. Here we have constant also. So I am marking this constant as dot. Now we have to write the like terms together. So 27x minus 13x, right? Y terms are 5y and minus 12y. Constant terms 43 minus 43 plus 5. So now we have to see the coefficient of x first. Okay, what are the coefficient of x? 27 minus 13. What is 27 minus 13? 14. Okay, greatest number sign is plus. So plus 14. So 14x. Next y coefficient 5. Here minus 12. Okay, different sign we have to subtract. Subtracting, I got 7. Greatest number sign is minus. So minus 7y. Okay, so constant minus 43 plus 5. So we have to subtract. Subtracting, I got 38. Okay, greatest number sign is minus. So minus 38. So this is your answer. Okay, next, third option. So from, the word from comes means we have to write the second number first and second expression first, first expression last. So 3m minus 7n I am writing first. M plus n I am writing at the last. In between I have to put one minus. So now we have to remove the bracket. So 3m minus 7n. Here we have to change the sign. Since it is minus, we have to change the sign inside the bracket. So minus m minus n. Okay. So now we have to mark the like terms together. I have marked m terms together as using tick and n terms using star. So now I am writing it together. 3m minus m minus 7n minus n. Now what are the coefficient of the variable m, like terms m? 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2. So 2m. So n terms minus 7 minus 1. Here the coefficient is minus 1. So minus 7 minus 1. Same sign. So adding, I got 8. Greatest number sign is minus. So minus 8n. This is your answer. Seventh problem. Simplify. We have three options here. First and third option I will be solving for you. Second option you can try. Okay. So now the first option is x plus y plus z plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x plus 7y minus 6z. Okay. There are three expressions given in this problem. And here it is plus and here it is minus. So first thing we have to remove the bracket. Shall we do it? So x plus y plus z plus here 3. Here we have plus before the bracket. So I am writing this expression as it is without changing the symbol. 5y plus 7z. Okay. Here we have minus. Okay. Already I told you, if we have minus before the bracket means we have to change the sign of the terms inside the bracket. So now I am changing the sign. So 14x minus, here I have written minus 14x minus 7y. Here we have minus 6z. So I am writing plus 6z. Now we have to analyze the like terms. Okay. So x term here, x term here. So any other x term? Yes. Here also one x term. Next here I have y term. Here one y term and here also one y term. Okay. Last we have z term here, here and also here. So shall we write the like terms together now? Yes. So x plus 3x minus 14x. Okay, y terms plus y minus 5y minus 7y. Then z terms plus z plus 7z plus 6z. Okay, now we have to simplify this x term first. So your coefficient of x terms are 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 minus 14. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 14 is 10. Greatest number sign is minus. So minus 10x. Right? So y terms. Now y terms coefficient plus 1 minus 5 minus 7. Plus 1 minus 5 minus 7. Okay. So 1. Here both have same sign. So minus 12. So 1 minus 12 is 11. greatest number sign is minus. Am I correct? So now minus 11y. Now z term 1 plus 7 plus 6. So 14. So z term is plus 14z. So this is your answer. Okay. Shall we work out this third option now? Yes. Now I am removing the bracket. Already they have given in bracket, so we are removing. Okay. So n plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus m plus 5. Now we have to analyze m terms. I am putting tick for m terms and I am putting star for n terms, here union and here union. And constant terms I am marking it with a dot. Shall we write m terms, n terms and constant together? Yes. M terms m plus m plus m, n terms n plus n plus n plus constant terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So after writing this step, you can check whether you have written all the terms or not. Okay. So some students may commit some careless mistake while writing this step. They may omit some of the numbers and your whole answer will be wrong. So please be careful while writing this step. Okay. You can check once for whether you have written the terms correctly or not. Okay. Now how many m? 1. Coefficient of m are 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So 3m. For n, here 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is also 3. So 3n. Okay. Finally, we have constant 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 15. This is your answer. The objective type questions. So 8th one. The addition of 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn and minus 4mn. Okay, now we are going to write the coefficient of mn term and we are going to add. Okay, so 3 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. Okay, so whenever we have integers like this means what we have to do? We have to add the numbers having same sign together and put the same sign. So if for example plus உள்ள நம்பர் எல்லாம் add பண்ணி plus போடணும், minus உள்ள நம்பர்லாம் add பண்ணி minus போடணும். So okay, so 3 plus தான் 8 plus. So 3 plus 8 is 11 minus 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so what is the value? 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, so your answer is 2. The variable is mn. So 2mn is your answer. So this is your answer. Okay. Next one. When we subtract a from minus a, we get a from minus a. So minus a we have to write first. A we have to write first. In between we have to put one minus. So minus, so coefficients are minus 1, minus 1. What is minus 1, minus 1? Minus 2a. That is your answer. So minus 2a is your answer. Okay. Third one, that is 10th problem. In an expression, we can add or subtract only. Already we learned this. Okay, if we want to add or subtract means we have to take like terms together. Okay, we should not take unlike terms. Or we should not take all the terms together and we should not add, right? So we followed that method only. So for the answer is like terms. So we can add or subtract only the like terms. Okay, that's all. So children, up to this our exercise 3.2 is over. Okay, so please do work out all the problems and you can message me if you have any doubt. Okay, so please click like button if you like my video. If you didn't subscribe my video till now means please do subscribe my channel and also share my videos with your friends. Okay, thank you. All the best.